What's the matter? Tomorrow's your birthday. You'll be 4 months, Lena. Look at you, you're so pretty. Look at you. So pretty dress. Nachon? Hello. Why is that? Okay, I won't get you mad. So what do you think about healthcare reform? Is that good? You have a lot to say about healthcare reform. Okay, you're not done. Okay. Would you have voted for Mr. Obama, yes or no? Okay, one squeal if yes, 2 squeals if no, okay? 1 squeal is yes, and 2 squeal is no. Do 1 squeal if you understand. Okay, I'll ask you questions again. What do you think about the situation in Iran? No comment? I know. You can't tell what's going on right now over there. Even though they're all bastards, right? Shh, 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 shh. I didn't say that. Ooh, telephone. Okay, I got... Someone's calling us. Should we see who it is? 1 second. I don't know who that is. Time out.